Today we have Basa fish with ginger and soybean paste. We have 1.5 pounds of Basa fish. You can either use fresh or frozen fish. Today we are using frozen. Here we have 300 grams of thinly sliced ginger. This is the soybean paste. This is the brand that we prefer. It's by Pan Thai. We like this brand because it's not too salty like other brands and it has a hint of sweetness. You need 5 tablespoons of it. This is 1 tablespoon of chicken soup mix. Here we have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Lastly, we have a mix of coriander and spring onion to use as a garnish. We have 2 cups of oil on high heat in a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, we add in the fillet and fry it for 15 minutes. Depending on the thickness of the fish, 10 minutes may be fine. You have to make sure that the oil is hot enough so that the fish can crisp nicely. Empty the oil, but keep 3 tablespoons of that same oil in the pan. In the pan, we're going to add our garlic and fry it until it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, we add our ginger and cook it in with the garlic. Once our ginger is coated with the garlic, we will add our sugar and chicken soup mix. Stir fry for 2 minutes and cover for 3. Once the 5 minutes is up, add the soybean paste and 2 tablespoons of water. Cover for another 3 minutes and we're done. Now pour the stir fry on top of the fish. And garnish with the coriander and spring onion.
Rồi dương luộc mới với là mồm ớt. Cry phải em là mồm. Và bong ôn trong phải em lưng nắng khai score tí sẽ chùm nụ chật bong ôn nó pan nắng ba này là mồm mỏng ngay nhá. Hay khi mà cốt này bong ôn tam ban video được bóc nhau mắt. Bye.